Hey guys, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on some magnetic eyelashes. So I've been seeing a lot of ads on Instagram and online about magnetic eyelashes. So I said, let me see what this is all about, especially since half of our face is covered up. At least let me get my eyes to pop, right? So I did some research and I found some on Amazon that were a decent price that I said, let me give them a try. These are the AsaVea magnetic eyelashes. Okay, and they have eyeliner included, and you put the eyeliner on and then attach the lashes and you're good to go. So let's get started. Okay. Here is what it comes with. Our tip card. Okay. This is nice, little compact. Let's see. Oh, our eyelashes are in there. And there looks like there's another set and a mirror. That's cute. So we're supposed to shake the bottle first and carefully draw the eyeliner above our eyelashes like we would do regular liner, and making sure that it's close to the roots of our real eyelashes, and then we're gonna put it on. So let me do that really quickly here. Okay, one side's done, let's do the other one. It says 2 to 3 layers, so let's do our second layer here. Okay. These might be a little bit long for everyday wear. We're supposed to bend the magnets here before we put it on, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna try and apply it now. That one went on easier. Okay, here we go. Let me go clean this little top part up. 1 second. Okay guys, so I'm back. I cleaned up my top lid there, my top eyelid, and what do you think? I personally think these are a bit much for me, especially for everyday wear. They are very dramatic. Yeah, I might have to go with the other set that's in here. They look a little more natural, and they're nice. These are nice, but I don't think I could pull this off on an everyday, or want to wear this on an everyday basis. They are not heavy on my eyelid. I was concerned about that when I wanted to try these. I'm like, I don't want anything that's gonna weigh my eyelids down. These aren't bad. However, when I do close my eyes, if I do it like this, if I close my eyes, I can feel it touching down here by my nose, and it's kind of weird feeling. So maybe I'll get used to it. I don't know. But I'm gonna take these off and try the more natural looking ones. So let's see. Come off pretty easy. Put this one back and off. They don't hurt to come off, so that's good. Let's try these smaller ones. Here's the more natural looking ones. They aren't heavy, like I said, neither were the first ones. They have a more natural look to them. They're not as exaggerated. And I think I could wear these every day to work if I wanted to. I like them. Okay, so let's see how the removal process is. Actually removing the eyeliner, because I know on the other magnetic eyelashes I wore, it was very hard to get the eyeliner off. I used regular eye makeup remover, that didn't work. I used an Aveeno facial scrub, that didn't get it off, and I finally used my Beauty by Africa Miranda facial elixir, and that did the trick. Side note, that's a great product, guys. The Beauty by Africa Miranda facial elixir, it will help take off your makeup. Just put a little on a cotton swab or cotton pad, and it'll get your makeup right off, as well as moisturize your face once you're finished washing your face and you got all your makeup on. Just put a little bit on and it's amazing. So let's try and take these off and take the eyeliner off and see how it goes, okay? I like them. Okay guys, so let's take this eyeliner off and these eyelashes off. I have my eye makeup remover here, and on standby I have my Beauty by Africa Miranda facial elixir. This is really good. So let's start with the eye makeup first, see if that does it, and if not, then Beauty by AM is going to be next, okay? Did you come on? Oh. Still in there. Okay, this one's super easy to get off. I really like that, because you guys do not know the hard time I had trying to get the other ones off, other eyeliner off. But this was super easy. That's really good. Super easy. Okay. I'm happy about that. I was really worried there for a minute. Okay, I'm gonna follow it up with my Beauty by AM anyway, just in case there is some there still is some eyeliner on my eyes. So I put a little of the facial elixir on a cotton swab. And I'm gonna just rub it over it and just make sure I got everything. It smells so good. Oh boy. Smells like you're on an island or something somewhere. On a beach. My next video, I guess I'll do a review on her products because they are really good. I did it. There was still some eyeliner on there, and that Beauty by Africa Miranda facial elixir. Got that off. All in all, I like these. I like the more natural looking ones more so than our other set. And I like the eyeliner. That was really easy to get off, so that was good. So tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.